Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am already on the run. Today I am going to a traditional cooking class that I booked online, which I'm kind of excited for, to do something different. So I thought it was a good idea to do it, to do the cooking class, to experience the authentic Namibian cuisine, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go to the Hilton Hotel, which is near to the apartment I'm staying in, as they're gonna pick me up from there, and then from there we're gonna make our way to the place on where we were having the cooking class. Let's go. So I'm on my way now, as I said, to the Hilton Hotel, which is just literally a 2 minutes walk. Yeah, the weather's really nice today. Very nice Sunday to enjoy and, just relax. Namibia is so peaceful, yo. It's crazy. It's so quiet and so everyone minds their business. I like that. But yeah, the person that's going to be doing the tour guide with me, I'm actually gonna link below where I booked it, how much I paid, and also the company, because it's actually a company that I booked it from, but I forgot their name now. And it comes including pickup and drop off as well. Let's see. Hi Valentina.
Hi.
So this is Valentina, my tour guide for today. Can you explain what area we're in now? Take 2. So where are we?
Hi. So we are in the heart of Katutura. We call this area Koyangava. So we are off to Me'ialo's delicacy, where we are going to prepare some traditional food. So I hope you're ready.
Yes. So as I said, we took a transport here. It's about let's say Happy Mother's Day, we are mamas. It's about, how long would you say is 20 minutes drive from Windhoek Central? Yeah, 20 minutes. And now we're just walking to the place. So I'll catch up with you guys when we're there.
Just down there on your left, go blue bar. Yeah. You can use it with a mango.
And then wash it again. Because Kanto would not be here. Kanto says you. Yeah.
Then you can do that, and then she'll take you outside for the chicken. We couldn't.
Location.
Our normal bamboo chicken.
Yeah.
You guys maybe buy full chicken. You buy a full chicken in the store.
Yeah.
But ours is the running chicken where you have to chase it and then you.
Okay.
We are in a city, but when we go to the farm villages where you see the cows, the goats, the chickens running all over with the small chickens and everything like that.
Okay.
So this is how we cook it with wood. Maybe you guys, you use that stoves in the house, or you take the chicken, you put it inside the stove. Maybe when you do your chicken, yeah. But this is how we use this. We use the wood, this wood. So we cook the chicken, and then this is Mopane worms. Mopane worms is the ones that we usually get in rainy seasons on top of the trees, because they eat the leaves, the green leaves.
Okay.
And then this is how we cook the chicken.
Okay. Oh, nice.
You can use any spice, anything, as long as it comes nice brownish and everything. Have you noticed when you take the chicken, it has feathers, but you guys, you don't find the chicken with feathers?
No, we don't. Yeah,
it's already. Wash it. For us, we have to remove the feathers, and then after the feathers, we have to put it at the hot stove to make it a brown, a brown. Can you see how brown is it?
Yes.
We put on top of the stove, so it becomes brown, so it gives that beautiful
crispy
color.
Okay, nice. pour it in, that's why. Can I just pour it in? No?
Yeah, but then if you make it,
We have like fufu. Yeah. No, I did it here. What? When did you do it? Like 2-3 weeks ago.
Serious?
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
I've been here like 2.
you can take even a picture of her like you see.
No, just okay. And put in your cut chopped tomatoes. You can put a bit of black pepper. You can put in a bit of soup. Okay. A little bit of what is it? I think that is steak and chops spice. It is look good. You can put a little bit of carrot. Carrot. Give it color. And
We also
flavor.
guys have carrot.
Yeah, we do. We have something like called jollof rice. I don't know if you ever heard.
But it's
Oh,
Nigerian, he
jollof
knows
rice.
how to make that
Hi.
soup that
Yeah,
okra.
Oh, well, I go to the papa tilapia.
Umea. Umea.
Okay.
Put it on umea.
A bit of garlic. Pega me then. There we go. Oh, it's good. We put in a little bit of soup here. Put it in, and then we cook it. So this is already pre-cooked, even when they sell it to you.
Okay.
What if you
This is the procedure to.
You just literally boil it, and then you start seasoning it like how you want it.
Okay.
It's the most tastiest Mopane one ever.
Really?
Very nice.
I'm curious. Guys.
time for that?
How am I missing all your reactions?
Me. That's like when you're small, like when the granny is teaching you saying on jab.
Look fast because we don't want it making knots. That is perfect. And then we just move our stove to 4 to 3 to 4. Yeah, that's perfect. We wanted the soft. So we keep stirring it, and then now
You put
I think we're
spice.
gonna. You can just continue stirring here.
Spice of Katutura.
Like you want to taste your soup. Is it salt enough? More salt? Nah, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Alright, that's it. Okay. Then you guys
Think he's on But I want to taste jollof for us.
Yeah, no problem. I'll make sure I somehow prepare some of the jollof rice. Really nice.
What?
I only saw jollof rice in Big Brother. Big
Ah.
Brother Niger.
Big. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
That is really nice. I love jollof rice.
It's very nice. And their chicken is also like it's ready.
Oh, so it's separating.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is nothing. When you go to the village, the
Ah,
stove
the
is
bay,
down.
yeah, I know.
And you have to like kneel, and then you have to, and it's very soft. And we don't
then
use this.
sometimes
Yeah,
We
use the wood.
big, yeah, big, just like us as well.
Yes. Just do that. So the tomatoes,
Chef
yeah.
and chef.
Can you see it's kind of juicy? When you're saying it's hard, now it's kind of it's juicy. What do you want to do? I want to move. But Nigerian pap is not like that because like the way they eat it with cassava is like.
Before, I would love when you get to the chicken to please, when you put, it's fine, you can hold it with your hands.
Yeah.
You put it in. I just love you to put a bit of sauce on top.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. You can just press there.
Take it with it, yeah. Is it? Yeah.
Okay, now I'd love you to take some sauce and just spring it over. It's okay. Again, some sauce. That's really good sauce, eh? We don't ever want to let it go. More sauce, please. Okay, there we go. All right. Perfect. Now we go.
Oh, just like this. Okay.
There we go. It's done.
So I just break it.
Yeah, like we want to serve family, and how do you? So what I would advise you, take it slowly.
Yeah.
Take an arm off, take a leg off.
Okay. Do you just bite it?
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, it's nice.
This is what we're trying.
Are you allergic? So we finished the cooking class. It was really, really nice. They were super friendly. I would definitely recommend for people to come and do their cooking class with them. So welcoming. I had so much fun. Thank you, Valentina.
You're welcome.
I can't even see you. The sun.
The sun.
Just give you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Should I put your number down, or should I put the other companies if people want to like book it?
Oh, Loboski's number.
Okay. So I'll put the number on everything and all the description and the Instagram and everything in the description box below. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.